Veterans Day is a special day. It is a day set aside to honor America's heroes. These heroes are the brave men and women who served in the military. They protected our country and kept us safe. We thank them for their service and sacrifice. They left their families and homes to serve. They deserve our respect and gratitude. Veterans Day is celebrated every year on November 11th. It's a day to remember their courage. It's a day to remember their dedication. We honor all veterans, young and old. We honor those who served in times of war. We also honor those who served during peacetime. Their service matters. Veterans Day is a time for celebration. It's a time for reflection. We think about the sacrifices made by these brave individuals. We remember the freedoms they protect. We honor their commitment to our country. We teach our children about their importance. Veterans Day reminds us of the importance of service. It reminds us of the importance of duty. It reminds us of the importance of patriotism. It is a day to be thankful for the freedoms we enjoy. It is a day to be proud of our country and its heroes. World War I, a major global conflict, ended on November 11, 1918. The fighting stopped on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. This day became known as Armistice Day. It marked the end of a long and difficult war. People celebrated the peace. Armistice Day was originally a day to honor the veterans of World War I. It was a day to remember their sacrifices. It was a day to celebrate the end of the war. Over time, the meaning of the day changed. It evolved into something more. In 1954, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed a bill. This bill changed the name of Armistice Day to Veterans Day. This change broadened the scope of the holiday. It now honored veterans of all wars. It wasn't just about World War I anymore. Veterans Day now encompasses all those who served. It includes veterans of World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War. It also includes veterans of more recent conflicts. It is a day to honor all who served, regardless of the conflict. Veterans Day and Memorial Day are often confused. While both honor military personnel, they have different purposes. Veterans Day honors all veterans, both living and deceased. It celebrates their service to the nation. We thank them for their dedication. Memorial Day, observed on the last Monday of May, specifically remembers those who died in service. It is a day of solemn remembrance. We honor the ultimate sacrifice they made for our country. We remember their names and their stories. The distinction between the two holidays is important. Veterans Day is a celebration of life and service. It is a time to thank veterans for their contributions. It is a time to show our appreciation. We honor their commitment to our nation. Memorial Day is a day of mourning and remembrance. It is a time to reflect on the cost of freedom. It is a time to honor those who gave their lives. We remember their courage and their sacrifice. Section 4. Celebrations of Gratitude. Across the country, communities find various ways to honor veterans. Parades are a common sight on Veterans Day. Veterans march proudly through the streets. People wave flags and cheer. It is a vibrant display of patriotism. Many schools organize special events. Children create thank you cards for veterans. They learn about the importance of military service. They understand the sacrifices made by these brave men and women. They develop a sense of gratitude. Some communities hold ceremonies at war memorials. They lay wreaths and offer speeches. They pay tribute to the fallen and honor the living. These ceremonies are often solemn and respectful. They provide a moment for reflection. Many individuals choose to express their gratitude personally. They visit veterans in hospitals or nursing homes. They offer a simple thank you for their service. These small gestures can mean a great deal to veterans. Section 5. A Grandfather's Legacy. A young boy named Alex was excited for Veterans Day. He knew it was a special day, but he didn't fully understand why. His grandfather, a veteran, decided to share his story. He explained what it meant to serve in the military. Alex's grandfather served in the Navy during the Vietnam War. He spoke of his experiences with pride and a touch of sadness. He described the challenges he faced and the friendships he forged. He explained the importance of duty and sacrifice. Alex listened intently, his eyes wide with wonder. He learned about the sacrifices his grandfather made for his country. He understood the importance of honoring veterans. He felt a deep sense of pride and gratitude. Alex realized that Veterans Day was more than just a holiday. It was a day to honor the brave men and women who served their country. It was a day to remember their sacrifices and to thank them for their service. He understood the true meaning of the day. I hope you have a better understanding of Veterans Day and its importance to our country. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more educational videos about holidays and more. Like, comment, and share this video with others. Until next time.